Did you know that when someone lands on your social media profile, you have less than 1/10 of a second to nail your first impression? And in the next 2.5 seconds, what the person takes in visually on your profile will reinforce that first impression. Given this tight time frame of less than 3 seconds, making a first impression on your Facebook or social media profile should be your first order of business online as an entrepreneur. So today I'm going to break down how to make this positive first impression online. And if you stick around to the end, I'll share the number one thing that is essential for you as an entrepreneur when it comes to your social media profile. The Parisi Pack. Did you know that first impressions matter more than fact? Yep, first impressions actually beat out prior knowledge and undeniable fact. And they're super difficult to change. It can take years. And the irony is at this point, you've already made a first impression of me. And if it's negative, you're likely not to believe anything else I say and you're not watching anymore. But if I pass the test, here you go. That great first impression is so important because people do business with people they know, like, and trust. I'm sure you've heard that before. The kicker, though, is that when it comes to social media, take Facebook, for example, studies have shown that first impressions formed are often more negative than a first impression formed face-to-face. Yikes. It gets even better, though. Research shows that people are actually making pretty legit judgments of others' creativity, open-mindedness, and experiences more so than face-to-face. So what does that mean? People are making accurate assessments of people they see on social media. For the most part, you got less than 1/10 of a second to build trust. First impressions on Facebook are often more negative, and you're an open book. People are judging correctly. So how in the heck do you nail that first impression? Number one, create warmth immediately. What's the first thing that someone sees when they land on your profile or they get a message from you in Messenger? What is it? Your profile picture. And the brain is going to process two things right off the bat: how attractive and how trustworthy someone is. This is proven. It's not just what Stephanie thinks. So how do you show these two traits? It's actually pretty simple. Your profile picture needs to have a smile that reaches your eyes. So if you're wearing sunglasses, automatically, not going to help. If it's a picture of your whole family and it's like the tiny little people, that's not cutting it either. So crop your profile picture really close. It's going to seem weird if you actually were to click on it because it's like, boom, just your whole face taking up the whole image. And ideally, you want to be smiling or laughing. Again, the smile that reaches the eye is really going to do the trick. The person can't see your face, you've lost them. But let's say that your profile picture is perfect. So they're still engaged. They're still checking out your profile. What comes next? Research shows that people are looking at relationship status, interests, group membership, creative photos, and actually your vocabulary, how you say what you say. They're also going to see this. They're going to see your design, your cover photo, your pinned post. Now check out these two YouTube videos where I talk about each of these individually, okay, for more detail. But the visual design and flow of your profile matters. If it's all too complex, busy, or lacks visual appeal, people are popping off. So when it comes to designing the Facebook cover photo, what you pin as your post, take into account the colors, the spacing, the symmetry, amount of text, the overall layout. Keep it simple, structured, and styled. Next up, what I want you to do is I want you to phone a friend. Ask someone else, because let's face it, you are a biased source of if you think your profile fits the bill of these things. Ideally, ask someone that has a little bit of social media skill too, not just your mom. Things that you could ask your friend to look into: what does your profile immediately say about you, your business? Can they tell you're a business owner? Does my profile picture create warmth? Does my cover photo and pin post, does it improve the first impression given of me or take away from it? And that's where I can come into play. Go to stephanieparisi.com and click on the pack membership, because inside my membership, I'm helping my members set up their Facebook profiles for success. I do audits where I'll go through your profile step by step with you and be like, oh, you should change this. Oh, that looks great. Not so good. And we'll really optimize your social media profile, which again, I'm talking about in this video, how to use your Facebook profile as a sales funnel. And I promised that I would tell you the number one thing that all entrepreneurs gotta have on their profile, and that is creativity. You wanna stand out, be uniquely you, own your personality, because that's the thing that separates you from every other business owner out there. Even if they're doing the exact same thing, they can't copy you because there's just one of you. I hope you found this video helpful. Before popping off my channel, check out either of these two videos that are here popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win in your business. And I'll be back next week with another new video.